All right, an example for undamped forced frequency. So we have a 64-pound block right here. It says it right there, so it must be true. Attached to a spring with a constant of 1 kip per foot. That is a stupid unit. So let's see. We'll go. The weight is equal to 64 pounds, and the K is equal to 1,000 pounds per foot. All right, so I don't have to see that anymore. Oh, and by the way, I'm sorry. This book uses an M, so you can kind of see why I had to. I think they just mean magnitude. So there's nothing special about what they're putting onto the thing. But I'll try to be consistent. I apologize for inconsistency. That's not even my fault. It is acted upon by a periodic force right here, where this is 10 radians per second. Knowing that the amplitude of the motion, right, so that would be xm, is going to be 0.75 inches. We want to find that PO. All right, so let's turn this into feet, 0.0625 feet. And anything else we need? No, I don't think so. So one of the first things I would do is find the natural frequency. Because this is in US units, we have to be careful with gravity or applying, or mass really. So we have 1,000, and we're dividing it by, well, we need the mass. Let's divide it by the weight, and then do this right here at the top. All right, so that turns it into the mass. And so it goes 22.43 radians per second. And we'll see that we, did I bother with an R? I guess I didn't bother with an R. I'll write down the R this time. So R is going to be equal to omega F over omega N. Omega F is going to be 10, and omega N is 22.43. My wife is really laughing in the background. She's watching a TV show. All right, so we got 0.4458. And so that's going to be our ratio. Let's go back over to here and see where that lands, 0.4458. So here is 0.4. So we're somewhere in here. So we can expect a magnification factor somewhere in right around 1 point. Let's see, where are these at? What are these in? I think these are at 0.2s. Yeah, they're 0.2s. Yeah, they're counting by 2s up here. So it's going to be like 1.3 is what we can expect. So let me see here. 0.4458. Where I lost my train of thought. Oh yeah, we were going to use this equation that we have. Let's change colors because I think colors make things better. Let's go dark. We have an equation that looks like this: PO over K, and 1 minus R squared is part of it. So we can find that PO is going to be XM times K times 1 minus R squared. Or, so in terms of, no, I think we're fine. So we already have it as in feet, 0.0625. We have K as 1,000. And 1 minus 0.4458. Squared. Make sure we square it. And we're going to predict that we're going to get 50.08 pounds. So that's the answer. Not much different from the previous ones. They're almost a little too simple, do you think? Do you think they're too simple? Well, let's, I'll do another one in here somewhere. I know that I have it written out. Probably the book solution. No, I have this other solution. So let me, I'll do another video. And this time it's going to be with some base motion. We haven't done anything like that, but we'll see that it's actually the same concepts. We just have to change some nomenclature in them. I guess it's worth doing it. It's 9:45 at night on a school night. I'll do it anyway. Next video.